Hi, welcome to Western Civilization. I am Miss Barbara Cook and I will be your instructor this semester, and I am looking forward to working with each and every one of you. I hope that we have a great semester and I look forward to answering any questions that you may have. I'm doing this tutorial to help you kind of navigate the class and to help you better understand what is going to be required from you. When I am finished with this recording, I'm going to put it in two places. I'm going to put it in Begin Course here, and I'm also going to put it in the announcements. That way you have two different ways to access it. We're going to start off in the Welcome, start here. Here you will see a little bit of a welcome from me and the attendance verification requirement assignment. Each and every one of you must do this because this is an online course. This is how we are telling financial aid and your institute that you are attending the course. And under that is the required textbook. You 100% do need the textbook to successfully complete this course. There's no way that you are going to be able to do this course without that textbook. You can either buy the hard copy or the ebook. Either one, it's totally your option. Now, some of you may have taken Western Civilization at Gadsden before, and you have a condensed or a book that covers chapters 1 through 29. That's perfectly fine. You can use it. If not, then you need to purchase the correct one. It is going to be Western Civilization, Volume 1 for History 101, Volume 2 for History 102. So make sure that you have the correct textbook for your course. There is a syllabus for the course. I have uploaded it. I do recommend that each and every one of you download it. Look at it, read over it. It is going to give you a lot of great information that may answer some of your questions that you may have. If it doesn't answer your question, please reach out to me via email. Give me 24 hours to respond. I am part-time, so I do check my emails once a day, sometimes twice a day. And if it's the weekend, please give me till Monday to respond. But each one of you should go over this, look over it. It's got some all of the assignments that I will be grading you on and when they're due. It's going to give you your grade average, a little bit of other information. Now, I do give you all of your assignments the very first day of classes, so I do not allow for makeups. You have days, weeks, and months to get these assignments done, so there's no reason not to have them done by their due date. You can work in advance. I actually highly recommend that you do get them all done when you can, because this is an online class. You can do that if you feel like getting 3 or 4 chapters ahead, or if you want to complete the course so you can focus on your other classes. I am okay with that, but I do ask that you work at a pace that will give you enough time to do well in the course. Okay. So do look over that syllabus. You have the due dates on there. There's also a link here that says due dates that gives you every one of your assignments that you will be graded on and when they are due. Now, all of your assignments are due by 11:59 p.m. Central Time. So if you live outside the Central Time Zone, it is your responsibility to make sure that you are completing the assignments by the Central Time. Now, if you're not sure what time that would be, you can Google it, and that will help you in knowing what time difference it is. Okay, so we're going to go to course materials, and this is where all of your coursework is going to be. Each one is broken up into a chapter, and each one of these chapters is broken up with great resources. The very first thing you're going to see is each one of the chapters has its own outline. I recommend having this open while you are reading the outline. It's going to help keep you on track and know the highlights that are going to be required of you to know for your assignments. Each one of the chapters has flashcards. This is another really great resource. It'll give you the term. You can type in the definition and then you can flip it to see if you are correct, or if you just want to test yourself to make sure that you are learning the information. There's also some IMAPs and worksheets. These are totally up to you if you want to do them or not. Again, they're great resources to help you better understand the material that you're reading, but it's ultimately up to you. I'm not going to grade you on this. You do not have to turn any of this in. But it does help you better understand the material. One of my favorite things of each chapter is each one has author videos. These are great resources so that you can listen to the authors tell you about the subject matter for each one of the chapters.
Studying the distant past means getting more creative about the kinds of sources that we use. We can't be relying.
So if you are a visual person or an audio person, learner, then these are going to be great for you. At the end of each one of the chapters is a review quiz. Now, you only get one chance for these quizzes. These are not multiple takes. They're only take once and you're done. And that being said, once you click begin, you must complete it, because once you exit out of it or submit it, it grades it. So do not click on begin unless you are ready to complete it. Make sure that you have enough time to do it. Make sure you have a good internet connection, and that if you are doing it on a laptop, tablet, or your phone, that you have enough battery life to take you through the quiz. Each one is going to be 30 minutes. The exams are going to be longer, so make sure that you are ready to do them once you begin them. Thus, where course materials are, exams are going to be under the exam link. There are 3, and it's going to tell you the chapters that each one of them are going to cover. With the quizzes, like I said, you only get one chance at those, but you'll be able to go back and look at those quizzes later, and I recommend that you use the quizzes as study guides for the exams, because you may see those questions again. The discussion board, there are 2 discussions that I have put up here besides the attendance verification. One of them is the Chapter 3 discussion. That is for a grade. The other one is, this semester I've decided to do some bonus points. So Chapter 6 is going to have a discussion question for bonus points. This is not going to be a mandatory assignment. This is only if you want to do it for bonus points. I don't usually do that, so you may want to take advantage of that. You can go into your grades and look at your grades. These are going to tell you every assignment that you will be graded on and how many points they're going to be worth. Not really sure why that's saying attendance verification assignment twice. I will take care of that and make that correction. It is this one here. That is worth 20 points. So, yeah, you can go on here and look to see how you are doing. And if you ever have any questions whatsoever, I do recommend that you please reach out to me. I am here to help you answer any of your questions that you may have or any concerns that you may have. Go over, how you're doing in the class. Like I said, this is an online course, so ultimately it's your responsibility to read over the material, keep up with the assignments that are due. But if you do have any questions or concerns, I look forward to helping you with those. All right. I hope we have a great semester. Bye-bye.